Hi, do you think creating an Instagram account and then converting that account into a business account is quite easy? If so, then you're 100% right because it's really very easy to create an Instagram account and then convert that account into a business account. Hi, I am Shafiq Akar, and today I will teach you how to create a very professional Instagram personal account and then how to convert that account into a very professional business account. And at the end of this video, I will also teach you how to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook business page so that you can run your ads on Instagram as well. So let's get started. But before this, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever there is something new for you to learn. And if you are enjoying this video, then please show me your love by liking this video. Or if you have got any question, then the comment section is always for you. So please add your comment in the comment section and I will be quickly replying to your questions. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started with the creation of our Instagram account. I'll click on this drop down menu just to add a new account. Actually, we can switch between these accounts, but we will click on add a new account, right? So now it says, do you want to log into your existing account or do you want to create a new one? We definitely want to create a new account. So first it will require a name of the Instagram account. I'm just going to provide a dummy name. You will need to provide or you will need to choose this username uh, mm, properly. So let's try with dum.31. Okay, this is just a dummy name. Click on next. Password. I will provide just a dummy password. You will need to provide your own strong password. Okay. Okay, now it says add a new phone number or email address. We are just going to add a new number, which is next. Our account is just getting registered, and then we will probably receive a code from Instagram. No, it says find a Facebook friends to follow. Now it means it says to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook, but we will do this later at the end of this video. Let's do other settings first. So let's skip this one. Yeah, just skip. Okay, now it provides suggestions to follow these people, uh, but we will just follow Nike and Leo Messi, and that's enough. Okay, so our Instagram account is now ready, but we will need to do uh, other settings. Let's click on profile. First of all, we will add our profile picture. I will click on profile image. It says add profile photo, add to our story. We will click on profile photo, new photo, new profile photo. I will just change the look by with the help of filter. I think this one looks great. Next. Okay, so our profile image is now added, but still it says complete your profile. There are totally 4 steps that we will need to add our details. It says find people to follow, add your bio, add profile photo. We did this already. Add your name. So first we will start with the addition of our name. Dummy name, right? And okay. Website, I don't have a website, but if you have a website, you must provide your website. I will just provide a dummy website. I don't know if it is a website actually or not, but I added this so far. And now we are going to add our bio. I will add just dummy information. You will need to provide your bio carefully. This is a dummy Instagram account. Okay, it is done. And now we will need to add the personal information, and then at the end of this tutorial we will convert this account into a professional account, and then we will be able to see the insights of our posts and take a look at our audiences, right? So let's click on personal information settings. First it will require an email address. I think this is okay. And now it has sent us a passcode. I'm just logging my Gmail account on my PC. As we have got the code, it is 857361. Next. Okay, now we will need to change the gender to male, and then the date of birth. Okay, so now I'm changing just the date of birth to January 1 and 5. These are just dummy details, okay? None of this information is genuine. Confirm the date of birth. Yeah, now it looks great. Done. Okay, so finally our Instagram account is now ready, but we now want to convert this Instagram account into a business account so that we can connect it with our Facebook page and then place our ads on Instagram as well. Apart from this, we will also be able to see the insights of our audience on Facebook, to see the performance of our posts. So let's click on profile. Click on these 3 lines and click on setting at the bottom. And now if we further click on account, and now we can switch this account to a professional account. You're just seeing at the bottom this option. So let's click on switch to professional account. Now it says get professional tools. With a professional account, you get access to tools such as insights about your followers and account performance, new contact options, and more. Learn about your followers, reach more people, get new contact options. So that's great. And now I'm just going to select the category. You'll need to select this category as per your requirement, but I will click on entrepreneur, display category label, yes, and done. And now, are you a creator? Based on the category that you have selected, you may be a creator. You can edit this at any time. Well, I will just click on business, but you'll need to see this for yourself. Public business information, my email address and business address. Well, I will just provide my email and the business address. You will need to provide your own address, but I'm not going to add any address, but I just want to teach you. I just want to show you how you can add your address. I will just leave it and then click on next. Now it says connect to Facebook, right? We will do this on the screen through my PC. So let's skip this. And now it says complete the keep going. Damn. Almost 5 settings that we'll need to complete. So let's explore them, what they actually want us to do. This is just it says to learn from others. Let's just follow the We Crazy People blogger, and that's done. Okay, now it says invite your friends, which is very easy. You can do this yourself. Again, it says share photos and videos. This is also easy. And then it says explore professional tools. So let's just explore this one. And what does it show us? You have got new tools. Get the most out of your professional account with tools to grow your brand on Instagram, and it provides insights and promotion. Through insights, we can see the performance of our ads and the other details of our audience, like their ages and how many accounts did we actually reach by posting on Instagram and like that. And in the promotions, whenever you run your ads on Instagram, then you can see, or you can actually run the ads directly from your Instagram app. But I will definitely not recommend doing this through your Instagram app, just because on Instagram you get very limited tools and options to do research and to target different kind of people. But we will do this from the Facebook Ads Manager in our next tutorials, so you just don't worry about that. But still, if you wanted to run the ads on your Instagram, so just follow our videos and we will show you how you can actually place your ads on Instagram as well. So let's click OK. Okay, now it further says complete your profile, learn from others, and share. Okay, now only 2 steps are left. The first one is the invite your friends, and the second one is share photos and videos. I think that's pretty easy and you can do this yourself. So let's leave this page, and now you can see that before we were just looking the edit profile tab, and now we can also see the promotions, right, and the insights. These are actually the insights. Your insights have a new look. Okay, that's great. But as you know, this is a new account and we did not post anything as yet, so that's why nothing is being shown in the insights tool. But when you post on Instagram, within few hours you will be able to see the insights under the insights tab, Also, if you want to explore the promotions or do you want to run your ads directly from your Instagram, then you simply click on promotions. Then you will need to create a new promotion. Okay, so it says no eligible post because we have not yet posted on Instagram. That's why it show nothing. So first we will need to create a post, but this is the place where where you can come and create your own promotion. So now our Instagram is just ready. We have converted this into a professional account, right? We can follow people. And now we are going to connect this Instagram business account with our Facebook page so that we can run our ads on Instagram directly from Facebook Ads Manager with more tools and options. You're done. You have created a very professional Instagram account. But the game is not yet over. We will also need to connect our Instagram business account with our Facebook business page so that we can run our ads on Instagram as well. So let's do that as well. Okay, so now we are going to find our page that we created in the last tutorials, and that was the dummy bakery, right? And now we want to connect our Instagram account that we just created in this tutorial with this page. So this is our dummy bakery page that we created in our last tutorial. So now we're gonna click on settings, and then we'll scroll down to Instagram tab. So once you're there, then you click on connect Instagram button, and now it says allow access to Instagram messages in inbox. Yeah, click continue. Let's provide the credentials. .31 and the password. I think we are done now, and now you can see all of the details of our Instagram, and this is how our page we connected our page with our Instagram account, and now you will be able to run your ads on Instagram whenever you want to run on Facebook and you want to run on Instagram as well. So that's how simply you can aid your Instagram account with your Facebook business page. So that's how simply you can create your own Instagram account and then convert that Instagram personal account into a business account, and finally connect your Instagram account with your Facebook business page so that you can run your ads on Instagram as well. So in the next tutorials, we will learn how to run our ads on Instagram only and on Facebook separately or on both platforms at a time. And in our next tutorial, we will learn how an Instagram or Facebook ad actually looks like. And we will also learn how to properly set up your ads manager, how to add your payment method, how to add your addresses, how to properly set up our Facebook business manager, and how to add different assets to that business manager, like adding your ad account, your Facebook pages, people, and your pixels catalogs. So get ready for the next tutorial. Thank you.